How to post JSON data with Python requests. I need to post a JSON from a client to a server. I'm using Python 2.7.1 and simple JSON. The client is using requests. The server is cherrypy. I can get a hard-coded JSON from the server, code not shown, but when I try to post a JSON to the server, I get 400 bad requests. Here is my client code. Here is the server code. Any ideas?
Starting with requests version 2.4.2, you can use the JSON equals parameter, which takes a dictionary, instead of data equals, which takes a string, in the call.
It turns out I was missing the header information. The following works.
From request to .4.2, this URL, the JSON parameter is supported. No need to specify content type. So the shorter version. Which parameter between data, JSON, files you need to use depends on a request header named content type. You can check this through the developer tools of your browser. When the content type is application/xwww form Erlang coded, use data equals. When the content type is application/JSON, you can either just use JSON equals or use data equals and set the content type yourself. When the content type is multipart/form data, it's used to upload files, so use files equals.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.